Hey everyone, I want to show you how marketing teams are using Scoop Analytics to get instant insights from their Google Analytics data. No SQL, no waiting on analysts, just questions and answers. First, let me show you how easy it is to get connected to GA4. I just go up to my dataset's important source, and you can see all the different sources that we can connect to. We're going to go to Google Analytics right here, and we'll just need to connect to the source that we want. So go ahead and connect it here. Granted permissions, and we are connected. So head back here, and then we can go ahead and name our data set here, and select all the properties I've already mentioned. We'll go ahead and use this one right here. Now we'll go ahead and over to our chat, and we can start asking questions for our data. So my first question here is, show me sessions by campaign. Great. I can see campaign traffic at a glance. Direct traffic dominates, but I want to understand which campaigns are actually engaging visitors. So I have to ask a follow-up question. What is the average session duration for each campaign? And now, interesting content marketing is dramatically outperforming paid advertising, with 2 to 3 times higher engagement rates. Organic and referral traffic also show strong engagements. Okay, let's dig in a little bit more. Let's display sessions by month for those campaigns. Cool. And now I can see the trends over time. It looks like TT Scoop display dropped dramatically in October. That's definitely something that I need to investigate immediately. In under 2 minutes, I went from connecting GA4 to actionable insights about campaign performance, engagement quality, and concerning trends. No dashboards to build, no experts to excel, no waiting on reports. This is how modern marketing teams work with data. Just ask questions and get answers. Want to try it with your marketing data?